Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, today I want to make some seasoning. So I want to cut these fresh parsley, celery, and thyme. Blend it up with some onion. And you guys, so right now I'm going to start cutting them. Okay? The more you cut them, the more they're gonna bear. They're gonna push out more leaf. So I'm going to use this and make seasoning. Okay, so now I go in and wash them. This is what I have, and I'm going and cut up some gin, some garlic with it. But right now I'm going and wash them, and I'll be right back. All right, so I now finish wash them, so everything is clean and nice. So I'm gonna cut them up and put them in this cup right here. So this is thyme, parsley, and celery, and some garlic added to it. I also gonna add a little vinegar as well. And I'm telling you, this is some real nice organic seasoning right here, natural. Should I use a bigger cup, but this one gonna be fine. Some garlic. So this is to do some, I'm gonna cook some fish. So I wanna season the fish and leave it for overnight. So the seasoning could marinate really good inside of it. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put on this cover here. No, let me get a little vinegar. Okay, so I add the vinegar. I add some water to it. So now I'm going and put it to blend. This is real organic seasoning. Real organic seasoning. Look at it. Real organic seasoning, guys. So this now, I'm gonna season this. I'm gonna season my fish with this. If you smell the scent of this, man, These herbs is so strong, they push off such a strong scent, guys. But this is real organic seasoning. You could season your turkey, you could season your chicken, you could season anything with this. Just try to season it overnight, and I guarantee you it will be delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.